One of the first things we need to do in CBR analysis is to create a scenario. A scenario can be created in exercise mode, as we are now, or it can be done in operational mode. So if we go to File, into Properties, click onto Setup. Here is the Setup window, and under General we have exercise mode, which we're currently in, or we can go to operational mode and we can flick across and use that mode. Remember, there is an internal firewall that stops you taking information from the exercise mode and placing it into the operational mode, and vice versa, taking information from the operational mode and placing it into the exercise mode. Within both these modes you'll have to create scenarios. You can also get to the operational mode by double clicking down at the bottom here where I've placed the exercise mode bar. You double click on that, again it will take you and allow you to go in and select operational mode. There's no real difference between exercise mode and operational mode. The functionalities are still exactly the same. There is a slight difference in the layout of how a scenario will look in the operational mode. You'll have 4 fields at the top instead of the 1 field that we're going to have a look at the moment. But apart from that, everything else is the same. So let's cancel on the setup window, go to File, and then create a new scenario in the exercise mode. Okay. So as I said, for the operational mode we have 4 fields up here. We only, again, for the operational mode need to fill out the first one, and it could be whatever the operation name is. In this case it is decided what the exercise name is going to be. Whatever it is, we can place that in there, whatever the name is. And then we have databases that relate to the software functionalities, and we can place them in the different fields. So everything that we create for ATP45 messages goes into this field. All the unit databases that we create go into here, unless we are using Blueforce tracking working off a command and control system. Destinations, that's who we want to communicate our messages to. Drawings, if we want to use drawings of the area of our responsibility, we can place them in, or if we receive boundaries or any other information, that then can go into the user drawing database. Crossings and damage assessment, both of these are used for nuclear functionality. Information reports is just a general report, a bit like a SITREP, with additional information that can be placed in. And risk objects, this is environmental capability for intelligence preparation of the environment. So we can place in known areas that we think may be of interest to us if there was a deliberate or accidental release from that area. So we can fill each one of these out and then go OK, and then it will create our exercise and scenario. I've already got one in. I've called it How To, because this is the series that we're going to be looking at. We can also go to File and Edit a Scenario. And what we're doing here is actually changing the databases if we want to use different databases but keep the same exercise name. And you can see I've got a few in here. So we're going to hold on to the exercise name, so that will stay up there, but the databases inside, they will start to change about, and we can then just place in different bits of information from different databases, place them in. Once we've done that, we can go OK, and now we have those databases aligned to us. And that's it on creating a scenario.